Hello ladies and gentlemen. Whew, it's warm. I just got back from Subway. Oh yeah, this is an episode of Tank Tries. And I was just on a walk and I decided to stop in at Subway because I got hungry. And I picked up their Buffalo Rotisserie Chicken Wrap. So, I like buffalo sauce. I like... rotisserie chicken, sorry for that, and actually got a decent smell that's coming out of through the package here. So I'm going to take it out of the bag. Oh, it's warm out today, guys. Oh, a little sweaty, if you can tell. Holy. Yeah, so this is the wrap. So now I'm going to open it up so you can actually see what it looks like inside. Slowly. Yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. That's I got rotisserie chicken. Well, buffalo style rotisserie chicken, some lettuce, some spinach, some green pepper, pickles, and some jalapenos on this thing, and it's on a spinach wrap. Well, spinach flavored wrap. And guys, it actually smells really freaking good. So I'm gonna stop yapping and give it a mow down. Oh, but I am hot. It's hot, guys. It's hot out. It's got to be at least 80 something degrees outside, and it's just yeah. So yeah, let's look at that. One more. That is pretty good. Yeah. So it's time to take a bite. Holy. That buffalo chicken flavor is right there, right in there. It's, well, it's covered in buffalo sauce, so of course it's going to taste that. But mixed with the different things, with the lettuce, the spinach, the green pepper, all that stuff, guys, it's just really, really good. I highly recommend you guys to go out there and try to give this a shot. I guess it's only a limited time, so go out there and try to get it. Yeah, guys, it's really good. Yeah, guys, it's good. I recommend it. It's very, very good. And it's rotisserie chicken. They just put like buffalo sauce on it. You can make this at home if you feel. But support your local Subway. Tell them to make you one of these. It's really good. I highly recommend it. Tank gives a thumbs up. So, till next time, I've been Tank. This is the Buffalo Rotisserie Chicken Wrap from Subway. Give it a shot. Signing off. Peace out, y'all. I'm going to give you one more bite before I go. Oh, that's a jalapeno. So long.